So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can repost on Instagram. So after the recent update on the Instagram, it has been an easy task to repost. So for that reason, let me just open up my Instagram application, and there is a repost button right over here. So if you just want to repost, you can simply go to any of the post like this, then simply tap on this little icon, which is the repost icon. So tap on these, and then as you can see, you reposted Mr. Beast post. So that's how you can simply repost. So if we go to our profile, and then as you can see, here is the repost. So that's how you can repost on Instagram now. So if you didn't get this, then you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store and simply go and search for the Instagram, or you can simply go with this icon, profile icon on the top right side corner, and simply go with the manage apps. Now if just check for the updates, like I have recently updated my Instagram, so there is no update for it, but you will get the update for your Instagram right over here. So that's how you can simply repost on Instagram. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.